Hello and welcome to the 3-day weather forecast with Paul Ugbah. The satellite imagery shows dust that was raised from the source region in Chad and in Niger on Monday afternoon and was transported into the country to affect horizontal visibility over most parts of the north and also the quality of air over these areas. In places like Katsina, the horizontal visibility reduced to value of 800 meters and 2,500 meters in Kano and the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. For the rest of Wednesday, we therefore expect this country to be generally sunny in dust haze with a likelihood of slight improvement in horizontal visibility. The inland cities of the south are expected to be partly cloudy, while the southeast and the southwest coast areas have prospects for thunderstorms. Maximum temperature forecast on Wednesday is expected to reach 36 degrees Celsius in parts of Adamawa and Taraba State, and also in parts of Nasarawa, Abuja, and Niger State. Other parts of the north are expected to experience temperature in the range of 33 to 35 degrees Celsius, while the south is expected to experience a temperature range between 33 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees over Ecom areas. For our air quality forecast, we expect the quality of air over the northeastern parts of the country towards the central parts to be unhealthy for sensitive groups, talking about places in orange, while places in red around Kano, Katsina, Dutse, and Guzo areas have an atmosphere that is unhealthy for persons, both sensitive groups and also non-sensitive groups. The places shown in yellow are expected to have a moderate air quality index which pose little or no threat to the health of persons living in these areas. By Thursday, we also expect moderate dust haze to prevail in sunny conditions generally across the country, while parts of the inland areas are expected to be partly cloudy, while the southeastern inland is expected to be sunny. Prospects for thunderstorms are there for the southeast and the southwestern coast. Maximum temperature forecast is expected to reach values of 36 degrees Celsius over Adamawa State and also in parts of the FCT, Abuja, and Niger State. Other parts of the north are expected to experience values in the range of 32 to 35 degrees Celsius, and over the south, 32 to 36 degrees Celsius. Our air quality forecast for this day presents an unhealthy atmosphere because of the high concentration of aerosols in the atmosphere caused by dust haze. We expect places in red, dominantly most parts of the northwest, to be unhealthy for persons, and also areas shown in orange color from the northeast extending towards the central parts of the country are expected to be unhealthy for sensitive groups, talking about people who are prone to respiratory diseases. We also have part of the inland cities of the southeast, talking about Umuahia, Owerri, and Oka areas that have an atmosphere that is unhealthy for sensitive groups, while places in yellow have moderate index with little or no threat to the health of persons living in these areas. By Friday, we expect slight dust haze in sunny conditions to prevail over most parts of the country, partly cloudy over the inland cities, while the coast of Lagos has prospects for thunderstorms. The southeast has prospects for cloudy conditions only over these areas. Our maximum temperature forecast on Friday is expected to increase over the northeastern parts of the country, where values are expected to be dominantly 36 degrees Celsius, and also in parts of Abuja, Niger State, we expect values to be as high as 36 degrees Celsius, except in Jos, where 28 degrees Celsius is expected. Other parts of the north are expected to see values between 30 and 35 degrees Celsius, while the south is expected to see maximum temperature values between 33 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees Celsius. 32 is expected over Eket areas. For our air quality forecast on Friday, we still expect the atmosphere and the quality of air to be unhealthy for sensitive groups in places that are shown in orange, extending from the northwestern part down to the central and inland cities of the south, while places shown in yellow have a very moderate index that poses no threat to the health of persons living in this area. This is where we conclude the forecast. Thanks for watching.